Welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL. After the installation, we will create database, create a table, insert records, and retrieve those records. Let's get started. Search for PostgreSQL. Open this official web link. Click on download button. Choose your operating system. Since I am using Windows, I will select the Windows option. Click on download the installer. You will see several versions of PostgreSQL listed. Select your desired version from the list. I will be downloading latest version for Windows. Wait for the download to get completed. Okay, the download is completed. Double click to open the installation file. Press next. Choose installation directory and press next. Keep all these options selected and press the next button. Select the data directory and press the next button. Provide password that will be used to connect with the database server. Press the next button. This is the default port for PostgreSQL. Press the next button. I'm leaving the locale as default. Press the next button. Here is the installation summary. All the options you selected in the previous steps are displayed here. Review your choices and make any necessary adjustments. If any details are incorrect, you have the opportunity to go back and modify them. Once you have confirmed everything is correct, press the next button. Now press the next button one more time to begin installation. Okay, the installation has started. We don't want the stack builder, so we will uncheck this option. This is an optional tool for installing and managing additional software packages and extensions for PostgreSQL. Now the installation has completed. Open Start menu. Find Postgres. Open this pgAdmin. pgAdmin is a graphical administration tool for managing PostgreSQL databases. Provide the password given at the time of installation. Okay, the database server is connected. Expand the databases. We have a default database named Postgres available here. To create our own database, right-click on the database and select Create, then select Database. Name the database and press the Save button. Database created successfully. Tables are located inside public folder of schema. To create a table, right-click on the public node, go to Create and select Table. Or you can also right-click on the table node directly, go to Create and select Table. Give table a name. Go to Column tab to add columns. Press this Add button. Create ID column. Select data type as integer. Make it primary key. Now click on this Edit button here. Select Constraint tab. Click on Identity. There are two options for identity. I will go with the first one. Now increment the identity by 1. Press the Edit button again to close this section. Now add another name column. The type can be text. This has no size limits. For a varchar with text limit, choose character varying. Give it length of 50. Now press the Save button to save the table. If you want to add another column to this table, right-click on the column, go to Create and press Column. Now to add some data in the table, right-click on the table and generate the insert script. Now we will insert data along with ID. This gives us error because the ID field is auto increment. Now just remove the ID. Data inserted successfully. Okay, let's insert some more data. To view the table data, right click on the table, go to View Edit Data and select all rows. So the data is successfully inserted. This was a very short demonstration of PostgreSQL database. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time with some other tutorial.